put in each single week. That is the real secret. Thank you. Now we are going to welcome our plastic cowboy, Alexei from Moscow.
A plastic cowboy. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know the process that allows us to transform plastic into the metal? The key word is clearpore. Clearpore is the component of methyl methacrylate and polystyrene. It is used in a metal casting process called closed form casting. Before going in details about clearpore advantages, I would like to explain you briefly about the closed form casting technology. Closed form casting is a special technology to produce and to create metal parts. On this step, you should know and remember that for high-strength iron and low-carbon steel, it is very important to have low carbon content, particularly if you want to get good quality parts. Closed form casting consists of 4 steps: the white side, the black side, metal furnace, and metal cast part. The white side. You take a plastic foam like EPS or clearpore and you mold a shape of your pattern. Then you coat this shape with a solid surface and dry it in the bottle. Black side. The newly coated pattern you put in the special metal box. We call it a flask. And you fill with the sand. The aim of this process is to fill all the surface around the pattern with the sand. And this is the black side. Next step, melting furnace. You took metal bricks, put them in the melting furnace. And what happens? The temperature is increased and the metal melts. It looks like a liquid hard. Then you flow this metal into the flask with the pattern, with the sand exactly in the pattern. And what happens on this stage? A decomposition process starts because of the high temperature. Your formed pattern transforms from solid to a gas phase and evaporates. Next step, metal cast part. After decomposition, your formed pattern disappears. And what you have got? You have got the metal cast part that fully copies the shape of your pattern. And you have got the metal part. But why would we specifically use clearpore instead of EPS? The answer is in chemical and physical nature of clearpore. Chemical nature. EPS consists of 8% of hydrogen and 92% of carbon. Now imagine that oxygen is a woman bonita and carbon is a macho man. In real life, they will connect with each other and make big love. The same happens in the chemical molecular world. Oxygen, carbon. They create a strong chemical bond, and in new material, in phases of gases, CO and CO2, they can easily escape from the flask. This is the advantages of clearpore, and that's why during casting, clearpore produces less carbon. And that brings you less internal defects, less surface defects, and low carbon content that has direct impact on physical mechanical properties of iron and low carbon steel. Physical nature of clearpore also helps a lot. The clearpore beads are of small size, so the final casted metal part has a smoother surface. Also, clearpore has a lower shrinkage. This enables you to get the cast metal quality parts with more stable and precise dimensions, which leads on cost savings on the final stage of production.